One of the biggest tactics that insurance companies use to confuse their insureds and confuse the other third-party professionals that are involved in an insurance claim is what I like to call the adjuster musical chairs. It's just a tactic that they use to delay the insurance claims process and ultimately delay having to pay you a fair market value for your insurance loss. They do this all the time. You file an insurance claim, you're dealing with one adjuster, you're dealing with a field adjuster who's coming out to inspect your damage, and then you're dealing with a desk adjuster who's ultimately making the decisions along the process of your insurance claim. Somewhere in the process, usually when you submit a proof of loss or some sort of documentation proving how much the loss is, in your opinion, these people just ghost you. They're nowhere to be found, and then a new person is assigned to your file. And oh, by the way, it's going to take them another few weeks to get up to speed on your insurance claim so they can do their job. It's fraudulent, in my opinion. No business that's that big and has that much money is that inefficient.